Hi, today I'm for the new OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side ring volume panel, these dots on ring volume panel with your finger. So also we got one more way how we could do that. With the help of the volume buttons, just by press to the down volume button, we could also mute ringtone volume. But first, be sure that in more section, in volume button function, you have selected ringtone volume to change ringtone volume, not the media one, with the help of the volume buttons. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.